Hey guys, in this tutorial we will see how we can rotate a screen programmatically without locking it. So let's get started. To detect when the user had actually tilted the phone to landscape, we will call orientation listener. Let's pass the context. Here let's set the left landscape angle to 90 degree, and for the right one we will set 270 degree. In if condition, we will check if our device is tilted to the left side or to the right side. For this we call the method epsilon check and pass the parameters orientation, landscape mode and epsilon value. After that we will set the orientation to screen orientation sensor. Okay, so here we will add the method epsilon check. Here we return the value. We check if the orientation is greater than landscape mode, so it subtract the epsilon value, and if the orientation is less than landscape mode, so it adds the epsilon value. Okay, in the end we will enable the orientation event listener. Let's now run our application.